So now let's see how we can toggle and utilize the grid overlay inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want reference points to work around with, then I can utilize the grid overlay. So over here on the bottom and right hand side, you can see that grid is an option, and here you get the reference points for grid right here. You can change around the opacity of the grid, as you can see right here, and change around the grid size as well, just like this. So whenever you're, let's say for example, painting something or you're editing something right here, especially using, let's say the masking right here, just like this, you can go around and then utilize the brush and then draw around a certain area over here. Let's say for example, you can go around and then know the exact spot right here. You can go around and move this right here, and you can see that, let's say you don't want to start off with the first grid, so you can start off from here and use this as a reference point right here. So this is how you can go around and toggle out the grid overlay option inside of Adobe Camera RAW and utilize it. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.